Hey!
Hey! So we've made it to Malapaska.
3 nights we've been here. We're on our 3rd night now.
And we leave tomorrow. So at the moment we're on Bounty Beach, but we're not staying here. We're off the beaten track.
Well and truly, we're literally down like a dirt track to get to our B&B, but it was worth it, wasn't it? It was a nice little place.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's got really nice gardens.
Yeah.
And the room's okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm not going to lie, when we first got here we really weren't sure. As soon as we got off the boat we were led by this local guy called Leo, and he said, "Oh, follow me to your place," told him the name of our place, and he led us down all these back streets, and yeah, I'm not going to lie, we were bricking it.
Yeah.
But we made it. He did take us to the right place. He was basically helping us out for free in exchange for the next day potentially taking us on a tour somewhere on his boat. More on that later. But yeah, so day 3, kind of sad to leave, but at the same time it's not quite as nice as Bantian.
Yeah.
One of the reasons why we came to Malapaska was for
Bounty Beach.
Bounty Beach, yeah.
Yeah. So like we've seen pictures of it, it looked really nice, but then when we got here, it is nice, like if you go for a walk along the beach and all the boats and the bars, but when you get to the water, there's like rubbish in it, but it's like plastic off the boats and stuff.
One thing about Malapaska is, we didn't know this coming here, but it's very much a diver's island really, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there's you can imagine there's a lot of diving shops on the front and dive tours, and they lead people out into the ocean, and apparently it's quite good for sharks way out in the ocean.
So basically, if you're going to come here, I recommend that you get your diving license.
Yeah.
Because we didn't, and really we wish we had. Cause
yeah, it takes like 3 or 4 days, doesn't it?
Yeah. But we've only been in the Philippines for about a week, so
we're learning.
It's
great.
Did we? But anyway, if you do come here, I recommend that you get your license because it's meant to be really good to dive.
Sorry, it's okay. So one of the main reasons why we came here was to actually push on and go and see another island fairly close called Kalengaman Island. It's something that I've been dreaming about for well over a year. It's one of the reasons why I wanted to come to the Philippines really, and we managed to tick it off the other day, and it was
amazing.
Just ridiculous. You'll see in like the footage and stuff. It's just a little island. It's got a strip of sand, got a sandbar, and then on the other side you've got just a row of trees for a bit of shade. It's snorkeling heaven, so we went off like, looking through the water and found loads of fish, and we made friends with a massive hermit crab, didn't we?
Yeah. Like the size of my hand.
Yeah, literally, it was massive. It was just the best day, wasn't it?
Yeah.
For like 4 or 5 hours then, it was plenty.
And we had lunch there as well, and that was really nice. Like fish and chicken and pork and rice and noodles and
balsamic onions and all this kind of stuff. It was brilliant, yeah, really good. Yeah, it pretty much sums it up really. We've had fun and we're off now to
Bohol. Yeah, so we're getting a boat back to Cebu, and then we're going to get a bus to Cebu City, and then a ferry from there to Bohol.
It's going to be a long day.
Yeah. But when we get there, we're going to be staying in a tree house, so I'm really looking forward to that.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting, isn't it? We've noticed a lot of bugs on this trip. A lot of bugs. I mean, they haven't bothered us in our rooms so much. We've got a lizard staying with us in this room.
Yeah. But we like him because he kills the mosquito, he eats the mosquitoes.
He's catching flies.
We don't mind him.
But no, this treehouse will be interesting.
Okay,
yeah, looking forward to it. Right, cheers.
Bye.
Bye.